What's up, you guys? Back to another video, and hopefully you guys enjoy this one. We're just gonna drive around a little bit, show you guys how it sounds from the inside of the car, and enjoy the video. Check out my previous videos, and I know if you guys love your Mopar cars, your Dodges, you guys gonna like this video. So put that thumbs up, appreciate all the support, and check out my previous videos and just listen up, y'all. And excuse for the wind if the wind is pretty bad, I even feel maybe sometimes it pops, but not too much, just probably after this corner I might do a couple pulls for you guys. Nice light little pulls, so hopefully you guys enjoy that too. That's gonna be a quick little video for you guys, just to show you guys how it sounds now with the new mod, and hopefully you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, check out my other videos, gonna be a lot more content coming, so stay tuned, y'all. See if I can get this right here at the line real quick. Oh damn. Pass up the light, y'all. Maybe a little 40 pull or 35. I do a little 35 for y'all. Excuse the wind, guys. If you guys hear the wind, man. Well, I should have went, man. They're going too slow, man.